Hey everyone, I just found something incredible, and I can't wait to share it with you. First off, the design is on point. It's sleek, modern, and has that high-end look. Now the price? Unreal. You're getting premium quality without the premium price tag. It's also crazy practical, perfect for your home, your office, or even as a gift. All the details are in the description, so don't forget to check it out. And of course, like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss out.